How to create multiple email addresses without phone number. So if you want to create multiple email addresses without the phone number, then open up your browser. And once you open up your browser, you need to go with the search and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. And once you've searched here, you can go with the first option, which is www.cloudskillsboost.com. Then you have to simply go with the sign in option, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. Choose the Google account and then click on continue. And now you just need to simply go with the upper, which has that explore option. Click on explore, and then here you will have format option. Go with the format and then go with any format or go with lab option. Once you choose the lab, now here on the right side, you will have an option of a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Click on that option. Once you click on it, now here on the left side, you will have Start Lab option. Click on Start Lab. Once you click on Start Lab, now here you will have the username, like you need to copy the username and then the password and the project ID, and you can simply copy these and paste, and you'll be able to log into the account, and you can use this Google Cloud to 1 hour. You can simply enter your username in the space of the email address and then enter the password in the next blank, and you'll be able to log into your account. In this way, you will be able to have multiple email addresses without the phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.